Well, who's this handsome little girl that I get to play with? Wow, who cut all your fur off? Wow, no shedding. Wow, you are so cute. You want me to throw this? 1, 2, 3. Oops, missed her. I think she likes having a haircut. Yeah, you feel better? You feel nice and clean? Say yes, Mommy, I do. 1, 2, 3. Such a happy baby. You look like a new puppy. Look at that manicure and pedicure. I can't believe how cute your little feet are. And the buddy, the mani-pedi buddy, the buddy is the best part. You look like a little tiny bunny rabbit with that bunny fur. Yes, like a bunny rabbit with that cute little white duck tail. 1, 2, 3. It's so nice out. Good job. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. What do you see? What do you see over here? Yeah, Mommy cleaned it up. Is there any lizards? Ooh, there's a big wasp. There's a wasp. I don't see any lizards. Where'd your Snoopy go? Did we lose her? Well, there she is. What are you doing, Stinky Blueberry? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing, cute little monkey do?